The V-Vaxy car scratch repair wax has garnered overwhelmingly negative feedback from consumers, resulting in a dismal average rating of just 2.0 out of 5 stars. Customers consistently express profound disappointment, citing the product's failure to live up to its advertised claims of effectively eliminating car scratches. Many describe their purchases as a complete waste of money and time, highlighting that the wax offers no discernible advantage over ordinary car polish. In fact, some reviewers have reported that the product actually introduced fine scratches to their vehicle's paintwork, exacerbating the initial problem. This discovery further fuels the prevailing sentiment that V-Vaxy is a misleading and deceptive clickbait product, relying on exaggerated promises to entice unsuspecting buyers. The consensus among consumers is clear. The V-Vaxy car scratch repair wax does not deliver on its promises and should be avoided. Potential buyers are strongly advised to exercise caution and seek alternative, more reputable scratch repair solutions.